You can see this mitochondrial dysfunction in neurodegenerative pathology. I have actually drawn this graphical abstract with just a single prompt. And not only this, let me show you a few more examples. So you can see this Western blotting experiment protein detection workflow. I have also draw this illustration with just a single. Welcome to another video tutorial. In this video, I will introduce you a newly released AI agent by Scispace team, and this agent is called Scispace BioMedical agent. You can see this is actually a specialized biomedical research co-scientist for multi-omics, clinical phenotypes, and lab protocol reasoning. So as here on its landing page, you can see you can access this tool by typing scispace.com/biomedical, or you can also access this agent through your home page of Scispace. And there are two modes. So one is all, which is the journal mode, which works across all the discipline, which I have also covered in my previous video. And here is actually the newly launched biomedical agent, and you can see this is actually specialized agent for complex biology and medicine tasks, from genes to patient drugs and trial. And as you know, I am also a molecular biologist, and I can feel this biomedical agent is going to be the super AI tool for 2026, as it can help you to not only write literature reviews, automate research tasks, primer designing, omics data analysis by uploading your raw data file, but it can also help you to draw your graphical abstract or illustration for your research article, review papers, or PowerPoint. So let me show you a few examples which I have drawn using this Scispace biomedical agent. One, you can see this mitochondrial dysfunction in neurodegenerative pathology. I have actually drawn this graphical abstract with just a single prompt. And not only this, let me show you a few more examples. So you can see this Western blotting experiment protein detection workflow. I have also draw this illustration with just a single prompt, and you can see there is no spelling mistake in this, like which we have seen the problem when we were using Scispace mechanism diagram generator. And let me show you a few more example. You can see this is the gene cloning steps, and you can see here it has divided effectively into 4 steps. And let me show you a few more which I have drawn using just single prompt. And not only this, here is another illustration for cross bridge cycle, and it has effectively divided it into different steps. Let me now go back to this tool and test this. So as here you can see, here is the introduction, how actually this biomedical agent is different than Scispace AI agent. So actually this is a powerful update, and you can see they have actually integrated more than 100 biomedical software packages, and they have integrated more than 150 specialized biological tools, and they have integrated the data from dozens of curated biomedical databases. And you can ask anything for, right, starting from single cell and multi-omics, anything related to clinical genomics, rare diseases, drug discovery, and pharmacology. So I believe this is going to be super helpful for all academic labs, clinicians, scientists, biotech, and the pharma team, students, and all the trainees. So here are the different prompt queries which you can ask. Like you can analyze single cell RNA-seq, you can prioritize exome variants for breast cancer, and you can also design and analyze pooled CRISPR screen for PD-1 response, and you can also summarize recent Alzheimer research. So you can see here summarize recent Alzheimer research, highlighting biomarker, therapeutic targets, and trials. So you can simply run this query by clicking on this, So here you see here what we have asked, and now it has created a comprehensive report by fetching all the research on biomarker, therapeutic targets, and clinical trials. So you can see now first, like any human beings, this AI tool has generated a basic research plan, then the what was the initial step, then how all the steps have been performed, like we all the human beings divide any topic into further steps. So you can see it has started to collect research article from the different databases, then it has started to compile and organize, then it has created different detailed summary documents. So here we have the summary document, therapeutic targets, clinical trials, and conclusion. And not only this, you can see here all those papers related to biomarker are here, and you can see all those papers which are related to therapeutic targets, they can be found here. And you can see there are those genes which were retrieved from the disgenet database. You can see here are the Alzheimer disgenet genes. I mean, these are actually the Alzheimer genes retrieved from the disgenet database, and here is actually the complete list. And similarly, here is the biomarker summary. So you can see here are the different biomarkers, and then they have the therapeutic target summary. You can see here are its different targets, and even the list of all those genes, and then the list of all clinical trial targets. And you can see the Alzheimer research overview, and you can see the clinical trial detail in the form of CSV. This is exactly the same, but actually much better than Scispace AI agent. So you can see here the top 15 gene associated with Alzheimer disease. Then we have clinical trial status description. Then we have key markers mentioned in the literature, and you can see the number of paper. Then we have research activity by category. Then we have Alzheimer subtypes by gene count. So it's all comprehensive like what we have seen in the Scispace agent. So now even we can ask further question. So meanwhile this task is further loading, so let me show you a few example of graphical illustrations. So here I have actually saved 3 example for graphical abstract. So here are its prompt. So you can see here, draw a mechanistic illustration of mitochondrial dysfunction in neurodegenerative pathology. So here actually I have already drawn this, so which I have shown you already. So now maybe we can go to this prompt, and let me copy this prompt and go back to this Scispace BioMedical agent. And here you see, create a visual explanation of insulin signaling dysfunction in type 2 diabetes, highlighting receptor resistance, GLUT4 mislocalization, and downstream metabolic. So we will simply run this task and wait for a while. So you can see it has started to execute the plan. So you can see it has started to create scientific illustration of insulin signaling dysfunction in type 2 diabetes, and it is now generating image side by side. Finally, insulin signaling normal versus type 2 diabetes. So it's all done. So you can see here how this is comprehensive. And not only this, we can also download this from the outputs. So I think this is here, and here we can download. So let me zoom in. So you can see this is high quality, and this is the normal glucose uptake, and this is reduced glucose uptake lipid accumulation. So not only this, there are already ready-made prompts which you can find in the form of biomedical agent. You can explore them by going to this agent gallery, and after clicking on this you can go to this biomedical. So once you will click on this biomedical, so you can see here are all those biomedical agents. Like you can ask it to write a draft, analyze me data, search paper, create charts and data to charts. So here are the agri search. So you can simply run this task by editing this prompt, and here you can see this output. So you can edit your any keyword within this blank space. Like you can search agree for cancer and apply headings, deduplicate and export RIS or CSV with brief summary of the top topics. And then here is biology dataset, Manhattan plot maker, Volcano plot maker, and BMC journal finder. So I believe this biomedical agent is going to be the super helpful and best AI tool of 2026 for biomedical students. So this was all about this biomedical agent, and if you want to buy the credit, so you can simply click on this pricing option. So here are the different basic, which will of course give you no credit, and if you will like to buy the premium one, so it will give you the 1200 credit. Here is the advanced $70, it will give you 5500 credit, and I believe one query will take almost 20 to 30 credits depending upon what you write. Here is good news: if you want to try this biomedical agent for your research purpose, so you go to my UTM link and you can get 30 to 40% discount on limited coupons. So if you have any question related to the use of this biomedical agent, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.